Hi, I'm Jacob, one of the owners of J&M Pool Company, and I want to walk you through one of our recent concrete pool builds. So come on back. If you take a look at this yard, you can see that the natural terrain, we are high on the left side, we are low on the right side. We build our pools to terrain. We want to take advantage of all the aesthetic features that we can. We have numerous columns kind of separating areas throughout this swimming pool. The goal is let's make as much usable space as possible. That's sitting areas, that's hangout areas, that's grill areas, and then of course fire pit areas. So what we want to do is we want to take that vacation and we want to bring that vacation right to your backyard. Another common feature that you'll see on a lot of our swimming pools is our tanning shelf. Everything you'd ever want in your backyard, we can do for you.